welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this makeup look for Valentine's Day. It is really cute, really soft and gentle. You can do this for Valentine's Day or for a wedding with 3 color shadows. If you want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. So first I am going to use this nude Maybelline set that I got from Walmart. We are going to be using our Morphe M504 brush. I like this brush because it is very soft. We are gonna go in with this shade right here. This is what we're gonna put on all over our lids or eyelid. Sorry, I don't know why I'm kind of sniffing, but please accept my apology. And you know how people say, don't do it with your eyes closed. But this one, you don't need to see to do it. You only need to feel it. So, and make sure you get underneath your eyes. Because I have it looks like I don't have eyelashes on the bottom. I actually do, but they are just very thin and very light. So I do this because I kind of crease down here. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I am gonna go with this Velocity eyeshadow. It's got 4 in 1. I am going to use my M513 Morphe brush. If you can see that. Adjust, please. We are going to use this pink shade just on the lower portion of our eyes. Just the bottom portion of your eyes. It's gonna give it that soft pink look. You can do this look for a wedding or Valentine's Day. You know, something sweet, something soft, not too harsh. And the reason why I'm doing it a little bit high because I'm gonna be doing lashes today. So that's why I'm putting it a little high. But if you aren't wearing fake lashes, you can do it a little bit lower for yourself. I think this is a generous amount. Sorry, my hair is crazy. Whatever, my hair's not working with me right now. So let's move on. And I'm only using 3 eyeshadow colors today. And the next one, we are going to go back to our Maybelline palette. I'm using my Morphe M433 brush. I like this one because it's kind of flat, but it's still soft. Sorry, it's kind of dirty. We're going to go in with this color right here. This, I like this one because it's kind of neutral pink color, but it's got shimmer in it. So it's going to bring out your eyes. Just like that. On the, just where your eye, where you kind of open your eyes. Like that. That's pretty. That is very pretty. I don't know. I just can't do eyeshadow without my eyes being closed because I'm afraid that I'm gonna hit my eyeballs. There we go. And then after you're done with the eyeshadow, I am gonna go in with the Kiss Chick eyelashes. I think these are short enough for people to notice that I am wearing it. But I mean, short enough for it to be natural, but long enough for people to notice that I have pretty eyelashes. So the glue that I am going to use is this Eyelure Vegas Nay eyelash adhesive. I haven't tried this one. It says that it is for long lasting wear, all day wear, and it is waterproof. So yeah, we're gonna try it today. Today's gonna be the day. Okay, after 2 years later, here goes my lashes. I really like them. They are really, really, really nice. I did really like the Sephora one. I still like that one better because I feel like the ends are shorter and then they go really full in the middle. But with this one, they have long and short lashes together. Can you guys see how pretty it is? Okay, enough about eyelashes. We are gonna be putting eyeliner on, which I am going to be doing off camera because I'm not the bomb.com at it. So I will be right back. And after my eyeliner, that is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it and you guys try it out. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, please like and subscribe my videos for more in the future. I hope that you guys have a very happy Valentine's Day with your love. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.